Alright, welcome back. It is Sunday. Today I missed out on the first of all Friday. The battery died out, but it was very busy. Then it suddenly started dying out around 8-9 p.m. and yeah, that was it for Friday, although during the day it was quite busy. Made around 90. Would have been 100 and over if it didn't just decrease early in the evening. It just died out. I didn't get any invitation whatsoever at night. And today is Sunday. I started quite late, around 5 p.m. So I'm still quite tired of that Friday. So that's the reason why there is no daytime showing for Sunday. Right now it's around 7:38. I've got a triple package. It's the food, and it goes to 3 different addresses. It's quite unusual to be given a triple package. Usually it's double. If it's more than one, then it's double. It's triple. It's just I don't know. It's a bit much. They want to do that long, one shipping. One drop off. It's the same drop off from the same shop. It's food this time. It is the sushi shop. It's quite drizzling. It was drizzling today earlier when I came, and in the forecast there is no information about any whatsoever water coming from above. Earlier it was drizzling so much, I was completely covered in that. Water. Now it's so-so. And this triple package is stretching quite far. It's for about 7-8 euros, between 7 and 8. If it was a real single one by one, it would be for every one of them around the first one is shorter, would be around 4 or 5, second one around 6, and the last one would be around 7. And that is the thing, you get the price of the last one, and on the way you deliver all of the other ones that are somewhat on the way. Whereas not actually, if you take away the 2 first ones, I wouldn't use the same route. So that's the thing, but there was no other. I had been waiting, I was getting some ridiculous invitations. I didn't take like 3, 4 of them. Again, going too far to drop off something that is close or not so close, doesn't matter, but going too far, and that initial travel to the pickup is not covered, not paid. So maybe it is paid within the hour if my hour goes more than 60 minutes. Then it's covered by the fee. But if it's not the case, then it's not. So not the politics I like. Let's say it like that. Now let's see where is this place? I think it's over there. Best to double check. Triple check. Yeah, triple check for this one. Gonna have to get inside, which is a pain, because I have to take all the stuff with me, all the packages. I have to bring it with me. It's not safe to just leave them. I think it's over here, so I'm gonna go copy it and do this drop off. let's find a place to look. Like, right, that might do. So the paint is, do I have to carry all 3 of the packages? Because I haven't got a lockable storage on a bicycle. Something like that would rather be found on a motorcycle. Right, now let's find the person.
Appel en cours. Vous pouvez parler.
Person?
La porte est ouverte.
Right, now. The thing is, they don't speak to me, and I don't know which floor is it. So let's do all of them, because I had a situation like this before. So I need to call a million times to tell me the floor. And there is no data here. There's no network, so I can't get reached. That's it. There is no network here, so I can't get a hold of them. I can't call them, and I tried to ask them on the interphone, and they just didn't respond. They just click and don't answer. Let me see. Yeah, this is one of those drop-offs.
Oui, c'est ici.
Monsieur, c'est ici? Je sais pas quel étage, on n'a pas un réseau.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir monsieur, on n'a pas un réseau, j'arrive pas à vous...
Ils n'ont pas écrit sur le... C'est pas écrit sur le truc?
Non, c'est pas ici.
Je vous ai dit à l'interphone. Mais c'est pas grave.
Ah non, ne marche pas, je n'ai pas entendu.
Ah, c'est pas grave, ok.
Merci.
Merci monsieur. Bonne soirée.
Merci, bonne soirée. C'est vous?
Oui, c'est ça.
Oui, merci. So, yeah, the interphone is broken. Right, now next one. Just waiting for the lift. I don't know how many times I have to press it. This lift doesn't work now. Alright, now how do I get out of this place? Right. What's on that? Where is that button? Oh, I just remembered I was here in this building once and I had the same problem. I couldn't find the button to get out of the building. That is nuts. Found it. This is heavy.
수업 갔는데 애들이 이거 있었어.
Alright, I'm coming. So the place where the next person lives is very difficult to get to. Just zigzagging. The one problem, I don't know where I put the phone. It's in an unusual pocket. Don't know when did I put it there. Alright. It's a bit of a stronger drizzle. Alright, this This road is steep as a mountain. I'm gonna get off the bike and walk it down because it's just impossible to control it down there. And people are everywhere on the road. Thanks. Let's do the same. I think I have missed something somewhere, and everything. So me trying to orientate is in such a busy place is not. So, drop off number 2, just past this. I don't know, this is a hill for skis, I don't know. Ski jumps. I'm not gonna miss it. I don't know, I think it's somewhere around in this area. I only passed once in my life down this street. It's very uncommon to get down here. This is quite down under. Drop this one off. Let's lock up that property and get this. for that name. Bon ça, c'est Social Shop.
Ah oui, il y a la porte qui est cassée, je vais descendre. J'arrive.
Ah d'accord.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir monsieur. It was very kind of the person came back to open the door for me because I couldn't find the button to get out there. It was literally the button was placed on the edge of the railing, so that's not where I would be looking for the button. It's like a railing to hold on to while you're exiting, and the button is just like here, so it's impossible to find out. I wouldn't think of looking for that over there. Go further downhill. There's a bit of a zigzagging again. I'm not sure whereabouts. Let's check. I still don't know where I am because this map is not showing me actually. Oh, I can't even get to that place from here. Wow. Wait, what's it showing me now? Change the direction. It's just oh, I see where it is. Let's just. What I prefer to do is to use the regular road, and then instead of going zigzag, it's like, how do I know when to make a turn, and if I don't, then I will have to get back. And it's a waste of time. If I make the wrong turn, or just wasting time just checking on the map every second where I am, and it's hard to locate within these small buildings. So GPS is inaccurate here. It's only around 8 p.m. but it looks very dark because there is no lighting, as you can see. There is no street lights. This is the first one. Let's just save the energy and live in the prehistoric age. Before the electricity was invented. It's about close enough. Now let's go back and see where we are. I mean, me see where we are. Oh, it doesn't work. We're gonna need to have 3 hands. Can't see a thing.
Bonjour.
Bonjour monsieur, je vous trouve.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci, bonne soirée.
Au revoir.
So the actual person, you have to get inside the garden and through the garden you have to get into the building. So the entrance to the building is actually through the garden. Let's see what's next. I hate when this is really like my brain zone. To go 100 kilometers, no thank you. So this is a job for a car. Can't show you that because there is information on that. Will have to be edited later on, and it takes time to process. Can't put the video as soon as it's uploaded, so it takes more time. So I would prefer not have to waste more time on that, so I can put it out as soon as possible. So whilst I'm waiting for another one, I'll be back for the sign off, I guess, because the mid shift is too late for tonight. It's 8:29. So that was a 3 package drop off, which is not so usual. I don't know why they haven't done it. It comes like that. It's on me accepting another one and another one. It's one full job, so you take it. It's with all 3, or you don't take it. You cannot choose just one of them or just 2. It comes in a package. In a package of 3 packages. Right, let's sit around and wait for a while. Red Christmas tree. Here comes another one. Let's see if that's gonna be. This is even further. This is even further away. So I'm gonna get out of this area because obviously nothing will be here nearby. It will be just way too far to get. And something closer to central Paris might be a better option, because here, close to the suburbs, this is quite close to the outside, the border of Paris, and yeah, not a chance. Like 3 consecutive jobs, and each one of them further and further and further and furthest away. So this is then, as close as you are to the border of Paris, you're getting jobs to go quite far outside, because there is no people outside Paris to deliver, not many of them, and you're gonna get the calls to go quite far, because there isn't enough people to bring those packages. So I shall be back for the sign off, and I'm gonna be back to Central. Right now I'm gonna cut off because it's gonna be a bit too long. Bye for now.